Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Luno. If you don't know what Luno is a secure cryptocurrency platform that lets you buy, sell, store, and trade cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. It is available in 40 countries, including the United States. Now, to sign up, you'll need to firstly download the app on your device. After you're done, open it and then you can see an interface similar to this. From here you can click join in. If you already have an account, you can simply click on this login option and log in easily. But for now, you will need to create your account by typing in your email address. Now type in your password. After you're done, you can click on next and then click on I'm not a robot. After you verify yourself, then you will successfully create your account for Luno. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel by hitting that bell icon so you don't miss such videos in the future. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next.